Did you get over the fence already? That's a good boy. Oh, look at him.
That's the collared one.
With the collar. Come on. You don't have to rush off already. Did you see him walk right over the fence?
I did not.
Wait until you see. Wait until you download the video.
He's getting into our rose bushes. Well, it was his house first.
You want the video, you're gonna
It was his house first. We're just guests. You be careful, handsome, going across, honey.
Be careful.
Oh, there's his buddy. Hi, sweetheart.
Oh, there him.
You be careful on Bright Valley. You be careful on Bright Valley Road, guys.
Yeah, you watch.
You be careful, handsome. Here comes a car. Let's hope they don't hit one of them. Oh, shit. Slow down. Slow down. Thank you. You boys get across.
All right, y'all go on.
Good boys. Good boys. There they are, guys. They're out here on Bright Valley tonight, both of them. So you're going to need to be careful. They're out feeding right now. I wish they'd go down the hill. Hi, boys. Both of our Tule elk, the one with the collar right here on Bright Valley as we speak. And it is a 25-mile-an-hour zone here on Bright Valley. It's sad that nobody follows it. Here comes somebody. And this one's standing right in the damn middle of the road. Do you have a flashlight? Good job, honey. Because he ain't slowing down. Slow down!
Got him?
Yeah. Charles is flashing the flashlight. Try to keep them safe till they get down the hill. "25 miles an hour. Come on, boys. Do you see them, honey?
Huh?
Do you see them?
I'm still blinded by the car lights.
I'm still blinded by the car lights,
But
too.
you got 'em?
Yeah, I think they skedaddled up the hill. Get that light just in case. Oh, there they are. There they are. Yeah, there they go across.
All right, good. All right, are they,
Well, they're back on this side. Let's hope they go down into the Golden Hills Preserve. Let's hope they get down into the preserve. So you're saying he scaled right over that fence? This one?
I have to say he walked over that fence.
Why? Where was he? Why? He was on that side?
Yeah, he's on the patio. Wait until you're. Let's go look at the.
Okay. Hey, y'all, we're going to end this live. Charles said that homie clown with the collar was on the patio and that he literally just stepped over this. And I was getting ready to grill. Can you believe that?
Yeah, get the video. Get the
Oh,
surveillance.
hey, we have a, can you hit the unlock right there so I can get a greenie? Because we have a greenie right there on your cane. by your grandmother's scoot, or your mother's scoot. Right there, yep. We have another greenie to scratch for, I forget who, but I will figure it out. I think it's Carla. Yes, Carla. Carla Becker. She confirmed how she wanted us to do her greenie that she won on Sharon. I hope those... Yeah, they must still be down there in the road, because that car just slowed down. Yep, both of them. So if you're on Bright Valley, folks, between Wolford Boulevard, because he's still stopped down there. It's 25 right here. Don't be an idiot. Don't be that one. Look, he's got his 4-ways on. Now, see, that's how you work with nature. First of all, it's nighttime. You know, we have our 2 local neighborhood elk slithering. They've kind of made it their home around here. Hopefully this guy... Look at this. Slow down. Slow down. Yeah, he's still down there in the road. Our Tule elk. But anyhow, we're going to scratch this for Carla. And then Charles wants me to check out the surveillance, because he said that Homie the Clown, Tule elk with the collar, he was over here on our patio. I mean, look at all these rose bushes. And we darn sure didn't see him coming up through the front garage, or the front driveway. That means he slithered up here on the side and came from the back where the horses are. So I can't wait to see what the surveillance shows tomorrow, but he was probably over here nibbling on these rose bushes, trimming them for me. But you know what I noticed, as close as he was to these cars? He didn't do any damage to the cars. Okay, we're going to scratch this one, honey. This one's Carla's.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Here we go. You want to hold that longer?
Okay.
Oh, wait. Let me make sure Okay, here we go. Come on, Carla. We hope Carla wins. Remember, if you've been following the journey, then you know what Carla did to win this scratcher. So far on row 1, we don't have a winning ticket yet. I can't wait to download that off the surveillance.
Yeah, I can tell you right there, you're going to get, actually you're going to get those 2 right bottoms is what you're going to get best. And you know what? Earlier I was thinking, I'm like, you see our backyard camera there?
Yeah, he was down there.
I could have swore I saw something down there, and then it went dark, you know, and then... but anyway,
okay, let me
those
see.
2 bottom right cameras are your best. Get those.
Okay, Carla, sorry, girlfriend. This is not a winner chicken dinner, as you can see. Just for quality training and transparency purposes.
But keep playing, because isn't that the 3rd loss?
Yes, this is the 3rd straight loss. So the next person, the laws of average is the next person.
Hey.
Somebody's going to be winning.
Yeah.
Now this one we will scan for the second chance. All second chance proceeds go to Purple Rains for Healing Hearts.
Yep.
So that we can continue to do what we do, which is provide assisted equine therapy to veterans, to disabled, and to underprivileged people. And we also have done mounted search and rescues. We've done pop-ups and we've done food drives, pantry drives, and we've done other off-the-books confidential missions that we aren't at liberty to disclose. So anyway, if you're just joining the journey, make sure you watch the beginning. We just had 2 off-the-books confidential guests right here live, unannounced, at the Hanson Wiley Mountain Mansion abode. So anyway, anything else, honey?
I think it's time for I think it's time to probably dust off a couple of cameras there. You can see a spider web going past that one. So
Okay, honey. Did you have anything to say in the video? Take a look at the video.
How Webster? You're not qualified to be my judge. Okay? So why don't you go fuck yourself?
Okay,
And
honey,
why don't
we're
you go type
okay,
up
y'all.
your, rest
It's
of your
Sunday.
little drunkies and
Hey,
drunkies
Sherry,
with you.
Charles.
You take
All right,
them.
we're done. I'm
Yeah.
gonna make
Hey,
Charles
if
a
you
burger
take a
on
drug
the
test,
grill.
I'll take one.
Charles.